Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Just wanted to jump in quickly and update you guys on another day trade that I did today. This time with Portola Pharmaceuticals. As you guys know, I have had Portola for quite some time. It's a smaller biotech company that has a couple breakthrough drugs currently in its pipeline. I had originally bought quite a few shares back in August before an FDA decision regarding one of those breakthrough drugs. Unfortunately, at that time, it was not approved. And you can see it kind of trended down here a bit. And over the last 5 years as well, back in 2015, there was also another big FDA announcement that another one of its drugs was not approved. And you can see the stock really took a hit after that. Next 3 months here went from 51 or so down to 23. And like I said, I jumped in at about 27 or so, and it's trended down since that time as well, because both of those drugs were not approved. And they weren't approved because they're not good drugs. They're approved because the company, a little bit smaller, wasn't quite aware of the stringent criteria that are required to have a drug approved. So that's why those two drugs weren't approved. You can see here a lot of investor interest has been picking up here over the last 1 year, because it looks like both of these drugs will be approved. They should be approved within the next 3 months or so, and you have a lot of buying activity. If we go back over the 1 day chart here, you can see it's up 9.03%. 1 week, 17.97. 1 month, 47, almost 50%. 3 months, over 100% of its value, 112.3%. And over the last year, like I said, I bought in to right about here, trended down. It kept kind of eroding the price away, getting down to almost $16 at one point before it looked like a lot of the pharmaceutical committee was getting on board with their drugs. And they have a couple of drugs. One drug is first in its class. It really doesn't have any other competition. So if that drug is approved, it's going to have an absolute monopoly over that segment of the market. I jumped in here today, went ahead and bought 630 shares. You can see that here at $36.83, just over $23,000. Went ahead and sold off as well at $36.90, excuse me, for $23,247. So it's about a $50 or so day trade. Unfortunately, if I would have held through, 38 here up to 37.81, it closed at. I think that's not with after hours trading. So it closed at 37.81. If I would have sold anywhere in here, I would have made about a $600 to $700 day trade. So the big question with getting into day trades is, when do you get out? I did not want to hold this stock overnight. I had no idea where it was trending. I got in when it was up about 6.5% or so. And given that the market's very strong today, I did not think it was going to jump much higher than that. I thought it would keep going a bit, but not up to 9.03%. So I just jumped in, jumped out, made $45. I was happy with that. But like I said, it kept trending up. And if I would have stayed in the stock, I would have made about $600 or so. So that's the real big X factor when getting in and doing a lot of these day trades. You can use all the analytics you want, but getting in with that much money in a stock that you don't necessarily want to hold for a long period of time, it's quite tempting to get out early. And that's what I've been doing with a lot of my trades here. Not complaining. I've made quite a bit of money doing the trading the way I've been doing it, but I've also been losing a lot of opportunity costs with some of these investments. Like this one investment here, if I would have made that $600, that's essentially the way I'm trading at least 10 day trades in 1 day trade if I just would have stuck with it. So got to work on that a bit, but again, not complaining. Made about $45 or so. Could have made a lot more if I would have held steady, but again, did not want to hold the stock if it did start trending down after I got into it. So that's why I sold off early. But with Ford, I think I might be doing a little bit longer with my day trades. Maybe just start doing some swing trades instead of trying to get in and out and scalping some quick dollars. I might just go ahead and buy it and hold it for a couple days to see where the trend goes. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on a day trade I made today. Let me know what you guys are doing. If any of you are in Portola like I am, I've been swing trading and day trading Ford and Portola for quite some time. I've had some pretty good success, but yeah, let me know what you guys are doing. And kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. And until next video, we'll see you then.